We have a college for blind children, exclusively for blind. I think probably the only college in the country. And the name of the college is called Netra Vidyalaya. There, of course, blind children come, they study. Though they are blind, but they use laptops. And they give examinations also on laptops at the inter level and also degree level as well. But nobody writes in papers. Nobody covers in the TVs. Though it is only the college for the country, but the media doesn't talk about the achievements of those students. But interestingly, they participate in games. There are cricket teams for different colleges, isn't it? Among the boys, there are teams. Among the girls, there are teams. As you have cricket teams, there are teams for blind children also. Exclusively blind children only will participate, and of course they play. I don't know why, but unfortunately there are no girls cricket teams for blind either in Telangana or in Andhra Pradesh. But from our Netra Vidyalaya, teams formed. For blind girls, there is a team from our Netra College and from Andhra Pradesh also, because those who studied coming from AP, and now they formed a team for AP, for Andhra Pradesh. So interestingly, for AP and Telangana also, cricket teams are from our Netra Vidyalaya only. When there is a competition, they both will play. Ultimately, winners are from Netra Vidyalaya only. Whether AP wins or Telangana wins. But that is not the whole thing. From these girls who are visually totally challenged, impaired, or totally blind, teams got selected for nationals. And there they won. And now they got selected for international cricket teams, which happened in England. Probably you guys must be knowing about the cricket games when they happen in India, isn't it? Are you observing? How many of you are interested in cricket? Not many, it looks like. Okay. There was a cricket competition happened in India. 10 games were played, and in all the 9 games, India was on the top, but coming to the end, they lost before Australia. Do you remember that? Which year? 100 marks. Yes, 23. In the same year, our blind girls were selected for international competition T20 Cup, which happened in England, and went there. They played with 3 countries. They played with Pakistan, they played with England, and finally they played with Australia. Here, our boys lost the game, but for T20, our girls brought the cup to India. Blind girls, when they returned, I think you might have seen, Modi ji received them and blessed those girls in Delhi. Why I mention this, when you study very well, probably gaining 99.999, but your name is hardly heard in TVs and papers. Yes? But when you play, when you win, and then your name will be in all the teams, displayed in all the media. Everybody talks about